Here I am with the 1983 Mustang GLX with the 4-cylinder, the 2.3 liter. Just took a bunch of pictures and scrubbed the crap out of the interior. Now I'm gonna go do a road test to show you that it does indeed start and run and drive. Starts right up. Just gonna go around the block so I don't gotta make a really long video. Would take it out on the highway, but I don't have registration up to date on it right now. Again, it's a 1983 GLX with the 4-cylinder, which is a 2.3 liter engine Ford was putting in for a while. It does not have the 5.0. So far I've put a starter in and a master cylinder, replaced quite a bit of the brake lines, starter relay, a couple other odds and ends. Pretty much it. So like I said, I scrubbed the crap out of this interior today with a brush, so it's pretty clean in here. You'll see that in the photos. But I'm gonna go park it back in the grass here so it's not in my customer's way. Any questions, just give me a call, 605-291-9133. Thank you.